Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2017 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number X114XX. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Silverized metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 19,000 miles, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, the EPA average of 30 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 40 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.